Hello?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm going again to show you when you click on this, it's recording. Remember record? Yeah?
Yes.
Start recording, it will be starting now. I'm click on recording now. So you see, look at this. Go. That means you start. Whatever I'm talking now, it will be recorded. And you can show me everything you like. And you can pause here as well anytime you like. Example, I want to pause. Click on pause. It's like your radio or your television. You pause it. Okay. Then you want to start again. Click on this. It will start again. Now, what you need to do in the video? You need your paper on your side. Printed paper. This one. Yeah, assignment week. Now, first of all, tell me like this. Hi, I am Alex. You tell your name, not my name, Alex. Okay, hi, good morning, good afternoon. I am Alex. I'm going to do a video and I will show you how to use the search engine to open my college DAD. First of all, I'm going to open my web browser. Okay, then you show me. It's recording, okay? So I'm doing again. When you see go, that means it is started. Okay, example, you made mistake. You can delete this one as well. You see delete? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, delete it. Or do it again. So I delete it. Now I'll start again. Record. I'm doing it. When go, this is start. Hi, good morning. I'm going to do a video on a student of Redeemer College, and I want to show you how to use DLE. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open my web browser. Then you show me, look at this screen. Here, click here, how to open web browser. Okay. So I'm opening Firefox as a web browser. Okay, then Firefox is opening. You see? Done. The next question you said, so you say one question and show me that one statement. Open a search engine of your choice. I'm going to open Google here, a search engine. Okay. The next one is saying, select the search engine for photos only. I want to show you some photos of Asta. Okay. You see Asta? Then you go to images, photos here, images. You see this. Then next question, change to search engine for a video. I'm going to show you YouTube video. Then coming. Can you see me?
Yes.
That's what I reckoned.
Videos, YouTube. Sometimes it takes time. Don't worry, I'll just do it exactly. Next one is set the different search engine. Okay, I'm going to show you Bing. So I'll show you different search engine Bing. Okay. As soon as it opens, that means I'm happy. You need to show me practically what do you understand. That's my understanding from you. You don't need to do anything. This fine. Bing is open now. That means I know that you know how to use it. Okay, that's it. So when you, example, you have done everything, first question, you finish everything, you need to stop. You see here this button?
Yeah.
So, okay, so if you can click on this one, it will be stopped. When you stop it, you have done everything. Click on done. Done. When you click on done, just follow the instruction. Is save and done. Save it in your computer first. And same way you can save. When you go to save, you come up with moment. Save as a video. Okay. Click on video. Then you put a file name. Example, you have 4 videos. You can make it 2 as well. You can make these 2 together, first 2, and second 2 together as well. Or you can make 1, then another 1. It's up to you. File name. You click here, write down video 1. Or you can write your name, I don't mind. I need the videos link. Video 1. Okay, then publish. As soon as you do it, it will be saved on your desktop. Then you need to open a YouTube channel, and it's easy. You make a Google Mail, Gmail. If you have Gmail, YouTube channel, it is straight away. If you go to YouTube and sign in, they will ask you Google email address and password. If you do it, your channel is ready to go. And upload this video in your channel. You can describe in the upload video and can help, I don't mind, but make a video. Hello?
Yes. Yeah,
Hello
listen.
with me?
Yeah,
So what
yes.
I said that as soon as you upload the video, it will take time sometimes to save the video on your screen, on your laptop. So when you have done it, you need to upload it to YouTube channel and send me the link. Not when you write the assignment, inside the assignment write down first 2 and put the link, copy and paste the link. Okay, you don't need to send me this video. I need only the link YouTube. But if you are struggling to upload it to YouTube, of course I will help you to upload it. But make the video first. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we are listening.
Okay, good. So, I think I'm going to I think you can see me now. Yeah? Can you?
We can, yeah.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, we can, yeah.
So, thank you so much for attending the class. I hope it was helpful. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so see you after your holiday. And hopefully you submit all of your documents on time. Again, I'm reminding you, your English 1 submission is 14 Monday, and your IT communication on the 18th Friday. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Ivan.
Thank you. Well, so if you can go to the next class, we can start in 10 minutes.
Merry Christmas.
And tell this, what's the name, Ini, to do same thing, the same way.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
that's right. Thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm going to.
Very nice soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
You want to go
and tomorrow comes, you would have wasted a day. If today you made the efforts, when tomorrow comes, you would have been further. Yes, so I just need to. I've connected up my. I don't know if it needs to change for a different input. Yeah. So, promise me that you'll stay in the journey. Oh, what did you do? Oh, okay, that's it. So it's about creating your own success story. Your own success story. You've got the opportunity to create your own success story. So you are on a journey. You've been on a journey with me for a couple of weeks now, and I hope you'll continue with me on the journey after Christmas for another 12 weeks. We're talking about leadership. But I want to lay the foundation just to encourage you that when you're learning, you will come outside of your comfort zone. You will come outside of your comfort zone. And when you come outside of your comfort zone, it means that you are able to learn. Now, here I have a packet of seeds, some seeds. And over the last couple of weeks, what I've been doing is trying to give you seeds, ideas, information, knowledge. Now, if I was to give you one of these seeds, and you was to take the seed and keep it in your hand, put it in your pocket, put it in your handbag, and do nothing with it, what would happen? Sorry? He'll die. Nothing will happen. Yeah. Oh, dry. Yes. But the seed's already dry. But if I was to give it to you, and you did nothing with the seed, what will happen to the seed?
Stay same. Nothing.
You'll stay the same. Thank you. Yeah. Stay the same.
Same. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. It will stay the same. Does it matter how many seeds I give you? Does it matter how many I give you?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
No.
It's not going to matter how many seeds I give you. If you was to get the seed, put it in your pocket, put it in your handbag, and do nothing with it, nothing's going to happen. But if I was to give you a seed, and you was to take it, and you was to prepare the ground and plant it, what will happen?
It's grow up.
It will grow. It will grow. Because the seed is designed to grow, the ground is designed to grow the seed. Okay? So, over the weeks now, what I've been trying to do is to give you seeds. Not seeds. Is it?